We'll work on spelling oi sounds. My name is Ana Luisa Berme Hipólito, and today is Wednesday, October 14, 2020. Be ready. Okay, we will work on the activities on the practice book on pages 52, 53, and 54. You may want to have your notebook. Okay, here on page 52, we will use the basic words in each of the clues. Number one, to swoop and seize. That is to pounce. A small, shallow ditch is a saucer. Okay. To damp is moist. Behaving in a mischievous way is naughty. To scare or frighten is hound. A public sale is an auction. To demolish is to destroy. So you need to do the last three. Let's go to the next page. Right here, we will identify the patterns. Write each basic word besides the correct heading. So you will pay attention to the patterns. On box 1 is O sound, spelled O or O-W. So you will look onto the list and you have number 1, the word ohms belongs to the first box, ohms. And then you have to look for a word that has O-W, like in skull. Like in skull, number 9 could be on box 1. Now, on the second box, the sound is O. Spell A-W, A-U, and A. Okay, we have with A-W the word sprawl. Sprawl. So you have to look for the patterns, okay? And we have the word with A-U. We have the word haunt. Haunt. A-U. And with the letter A, we have basketball. 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 Now, let's go to the third box, words, other spelling for O. What means other spelling for O? Those are the words that were not listed. So let's go to the word naughty. And I want you to pay attention to the letter A-U-G-H. A-U-G-H makes O. Naughty. Naughty. Those letters make the O sound. And that's it. That's the only word right there. It says the last box, oi, spell O-Y or O-I. O-I. We can write loyal with O-Y, loyal. And we can write the word moist. O-I, moist. So I just gave you some examples. Look at the patterns. Always look at the patterns. And I already gave you the hardest one, that is naughty. Okay? Now we will complete the proofreading. Proofreading activity. Find the misspelled words and circle them. Write them correctly on the line. The big game in Thursday night after the varsity player action. The word action. Circle. We will be given a royal welcome as we warm up. I wonder if I can avoid another awkward fall this time and make my loyal fans apply. Loyals. Also, I don't enjoy seeing the fans scold. Skull. I already helped you with 5 of the words. I want you to continue reading the activity, circle the words, and write them correct. I love you a lot, guys. To the moon and back. Thank you for all your efforts and words. See you soon.